In this video, I want to show you what to do in case your Nintendo Switch 2 is not charging. So this can happen for many different reasons. So let's start with the easiest thing to do. So once this is happening, let's say you're plugging your charger over here or over there and nothing is happening, what I suggest is you do a force restart. So what you'll do is you need to press the power button during 20 seconds. Keep it pressed like this and just be patient. Even if you see this screen appearing, don't release the power button unless 20 seconds has passed. Now, after 20 seconds, release it, wait 2 seconds, and then press it once just to power it on again. And hopefully after doing this, it was just a software issue and the switch is now charging normally. If still nothing is happening, what I suggest is you try charging it with another cable and also another charger. The Switch 2, as you know, has a USB Type-C. Therefore, if you have an iPhone or Android smartphone, obviously you already have a charger and a USB Type-C cable. So use that one instead. And what I suggest is if you are charging the Switch 2 using this port usually, try using the other port instead. And if it works, well, now you know that the cause of it could be the port or even the charger. So go ahead, plug it over here or over there, okay? And wait. Sometimes if the switch is completely drained, it's at 0%, it will take at least half an hour or an hour to be connected to a charger to receive enough charge to be powered on and be able to run the software. So again, leave it connected 1 to 2 hours, and after that time passed, do the same trick. 20 seconds on the power button, release, and then 1 second until you see the Nintendo logo. If you see that only this charging port is working, well, you know that maybe this one is damaged and that was the cause. And now the last resort that I suggest is that you do a factory reset. Now, if you're not able to have access to the switch itself, to do a factory reset, let me turn it off. All right, you're going to power it on the same way, press the power button, and once you see the Nintendo logo, press volume up and volume down button at the same time and stay like this. Do not release those buttons until you see recovery mode. And from here, go down and select restore factory settings. And yeah, you'll be able to reset it. Obviously, all your things will be deleted, but maybe you'll be able to charge it afterwards. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.